Welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Residential Real Estate. And guess what?
Guess what we did? We just sold another one.
Right on. Hey, you guys, this story for these particular buyers is a little bit different.
Exciting.
Yeah. So, first of all, this is a cute 3-bedroom townhouse in the community of Waterfall.
Panama City Beach.
DR Horton built. And that's significant because we were under contract with these buyers, and guess what rolled through town?
Hurricane Michael. Almost Cat 5.
And everyone was freaking out. Of course, we all evacuated. The buyers were nervous that their vacation home, they're going to be snowbirds. They were hoping to have a nice warm winter here, and everyone's worried that their new home is not going to be here when we came back. But guess what?
Perfectly intact. Nothing happened to this unit, and the majority of the homes here, pretty good shape.
So that's what you get when you got new construction up to the new codes, and DR Horton built tough homes. Not a scratch on this one. So very fortunate, and a testament to the quality of these built homes. So we're going to actually give you a tour of this one. It's a model of what you can purchase yourself.
So if you like what you see, give us a call, and we can give you more information about how to purchase those beautiful townhouses.
Our contact information is below, and don't forget to subscribe.
Hit the button. Hit the button.
We'll catch you guys next time. Do it for her.
Bye.
Bye.